Why are you getting so upset?
Yes, it is.
I think they have an okay time.
Time or another have done it, so you do the math.
About this, but I don't hear anyone complaining.
Of course not. You're out the door too fast. How do you know?
I mean, how do I know? I know.
Because they...
You don't think that I could tell a difference?
Most women at one time or another have faked it.
Well, they haven't faked it with me.
How do you know that they're really... Most women at one time or another have faked it.
Because I know.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh. Oh, God. Ooh. Oh, God. Oh. 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 Oh, God. Oh, you're right there. Oh. 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 Oh, God. Oh. Yes. 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 Oh. Yes, yes, yes. 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 Oh. 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 Oh, God. Oh.
I'll have what she's having.